Guys, there are a few reasons you might be having trouble logging in or creating a new Snapchat account. Now see error. Oh no, your login temporarily failed. So please try again later. If your login continues to fail, please visit. Here are some tips you get logging in or creating a new Snapchat account. Firstly, check your username and password. Double check you are using the right username and password. If the Snapchat username or password is misspelled, then you may see the error message. If your username or password are incorrect, correct them. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your device has a good Wi-Fi connection. You can try connecting to Wi-Fi. If you have weak cellular service, restarting your device may also help with internet connection problems. Avoid using a VPN with Snapchat. Some Snapchatters using a VPN to connect to Snapchat may have issues creating an account or logging in. If your device is on a VPN and you are having logging issues, try switching your different network and logging in again. Last solution is go to Settings, tap on All, press on iPhone Storage, find the Snapchat in the list of apps, click on it. Now click on a Float app. Again click on a Float app. Reinstall your Snapchat app. Click on App. Now your Snapchat app is reinstalled. Open your Snapchat app. Now logging in your Snapchat account. I hope your problem is solved. So guys, like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.